Room 9728. This is an infinite balcony room, which is new to Royal Caribbean. You'll find your key outside of the room when you first come to your room. It's 1 o'clock and the rooms are ready. Welcome to our home for the next week. This is like I said, the infinite, is that how we call it? Or I'm not sure if they call it infinite or infinity balcony. Either one is fine. So you're going to start over here in the corner. You've got this is new, digital controls to control your temp in the room. You can even close your blinds by just clicking this. But we don't want to do that, so we're going to stop it and open them back up. Bathroom is right here. I feel like there's probably a switch to this. There we go. It's a pretty standard bathroom. There's a little less shelving than I'm used to in a bathroom, but you've got some small amount of shelving right here and a little bit of shelving back here. And then you do have, oh, you have a drawer. That's unusual. Not seen that on one of these ships either. But you also got several things of shelving here, but this shower is pretty good size. I mean, look at this. So you've got all this space here. You've got a ledge, and you've got your little seat. Now I gotta find out how to get out. So this is really cool. You got your full-length mirror here, but the full-length mirror opens up and turns into another storage space for you, and your safe is in here. Gonna come around this way, and you've got more closet space here. You've got lots of hanging space on both sides. There's some clips in here to hang stuff on. And then this is cool too, these baskets to put stuff in. I like that. Yikes. Another cool thing that I really like is you have one of these on each side of the bed that has a plug-in, a USB, and your light switch here. And it's on both sides. You got some more shelving here for other things, and a USB and a USB-C charger here. That's cool. You got this little table here that will move wherever you want it to. So if you want to pull it up against the couch to use, you can do that. And then you've got your little vanity seating area with a lot more shelves. Right in front of your vanity, you have 2 more USB-C chargers and 2 regular USB chargers. It's an international plug, couple in 120 volt plug. And you got light switches here as well. Your vanity mirror is backlit and lots of storage and drawers here. You've got your little cooler here. Keep in mind, this is not a refrigerator. It does keep things cool, but it is not an actual refrigerator. And then the best part of this, and this is what everybody wants to see, is the infinity balcony. This is neat. It extends your room because normally this is where your glass door is going to be, and then you have your balcony going out. But instead, you have this little area that right now it's kind of chilly outside, so I can just sit and watch with the windows up, or I don't know. There we go. Or we can roll down the balcony and have a balcony. I mean, this is pretty cool. You do have to keep in mind, though, that if you have this window down, the air conditioning in the room doesn't work, just like if you have a balcony room and you leave the door open. The air conditioner will not run if that happens. Man, what an incredible view, though. So that's it, 9728. That's your balcony, infinite balcony room. It's really cool. You got blackout shades, you got blackout curtains. You can make it dark if you want. You can leave it open if you want and listen to the waves. It's a pretty cool room. I'm pretty excited about this.